Canon 700D versus 750D. Many of our visitors are still in the dilemma which one to choose between Canon 700D versus Canon 750D. To remove your confusion watching this video, so let's get started. Number 1. Body comparison. The physical size and weight of the Canon 700D and the Canon 750D are illustrated in the side-by-side display below. The two cameras are presented according to their relative size. 3 consecutive views from the front, the top, and the rear side are shown. All width, height and depth dimensions are rounded to the nearest millimeter. Number 2. Sensor comparison. While the two cameras under review share the same sensor size, the 750D offers a higher resolution of 24 megapixels, compared with 17.9 MP of the 700D. This megapixels advantage translates into a 16% gain in linear resolution. On the other hand, these sensor specs imply that the 750D has a higher pixel density and a smaller size of the individual pixel, with a pixel pitch of 3.72 μm versus 4.31 μm for the 700D. However, it should be noted that the 750D is a somewhat more recent model, by 1 year and 10 months, than the 700D, and its sensor might have benefited from technological advances during this time that at least partly compensate for the smaller pixel size. Number 3. Feature comparison. It is notable that the 750D offers Wi-Fi support, which can be a very convenient means to transfer image data to an off-camera location. In contrast, the 700D does not provide Wi-Fi capability. Both the 700D and the 750D have been discontinued, but can regularly be found used on eBay. The 700D was replaced by the Canon 750D, while the 750D was followed by the Canon 800D. Further information on the two cameras, e.g. user guides, manuals, as well as related accessories, can be found on the official Canon website. Number 4. Weather sealing. Unfortunately, neither Canon EOS Rebel T6i, EOS 750D/KISS X8i, nor Canon EOS 700D, EOS Rebel T5i provides any type of weather sealing in their body, so you have to give extra care, especially when you are shooting outdoors. Also keep in mind that body weight is not the only deciding factor when comparing two interchangeable camera bodies. You have to also take into account the lenses that you will be using with these bodies. Since both Canon 750D and Canon 700D have the same Canon EF/EFS lens mount and APS-C sized sensors, lenses will not be a differentiator on total size of the system. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.